welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, okay, let's get into this. What I'm gonna do today is show you guys this new flat iron I bought. I just bought it today. I have seen other YouTubers use it, so I was excited to try it, and I need a new flat iron anyway. Oh, by the way, this is the wig from the last video. I've had it on for about a week now. Probably Sunday or Monday, I'll take it off and clean it and put it back on if it needs to be. I have it in a side part because my head's kind of big, so I just look better in a side part. But okay, let me show you guys my old flat iron. So this is my old flat iron. You know, typical on and off little thingy. This was a ceramic flat iron by Adidas. So yeah, plugged it in and it didn't come back on. This is my good and faithful. I've had this flat iron since like 6th, 7th grade, honestly. Like, that is a long time. A long time. I've had this flat iron for like 10 years and it just now stopped doing its job. So I had to go to Ulta, buy a new flat iron. And the flat iron I got is this one. This is the Infinity Pro Rainbow Titanium flat iron. I've seen other YouTubers use it, so I was interested in using it. Also, your girl's on a budget, okay? I got a baby, I go to school, I'm on a budget. And all the flat irons at Ulta were like $100+ I don't really flat iron my hair because I'm natural, so there would be no point in me investing in a really expensive flat iron because I don't really use a flat iron like that. But let's get into this new flat iron and see if it really works, because as y'all can see, I need to fix this up a little bit before I head out. So this is the flat iron. I haven't done anything to it, but take it out the box. I'm feeling this little rainbow thing though, like, okay, give it to me. I have a mirror just behind the camera so I can see myself while I flat iron my hair. Yeah, so this is, it doesn't have like the degrees on it that some of you guys are probably used to, where it tells you how many degrees your flat iron is. My last flat iron didn't have that, so it doesn't bother me. This is 1 inch wide. I'm gonna plug it in. What is this? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in and see what it's given. What's it say on this new flat iron? Y'all tell me what y'all think. So, is this a sticker? No. Okay. Ooh. All right, I pressed the button. I'm guessing it's flashing red because that means it's gonna heat up. I'm going to, let's see. Oh, it bounces by 5s. I'm gonna put it on 10. So my reason for choosing this flat iron, besides the price, is that I heard titanium flat irons are really good. They're better than ceramic flat irons. What I heard, you know, just watching YouTube videos. And when I went to Ulta, I saw this and I was like, oh wow, like I seen this on YouTube, it might be good. I did browse around a bit, and sorry, your girl just couldn't see I just really couldn't drop more than like $60 on a fucking flat iron. I can't, it's not my thing. So I can smell it heating up. I hope there was like nothing on it. I'm excited to use this. So while that's heating up, I am going to comb out my hair. My hair really doesn't need to be flat ironed. I just need to like really bump the ends again. Yeah, so I just really need to bump the ends. So I'm not really gonna like go through and flat iron my whole head because it's unnecessary, but I'm just going to part some of the hair out of the way. As you guys can see, I'm taking a really big piece because, again, I'm not really going through and flat ironing. Oh, all right, I think it's good. The light is still red, so I don't know if it's gonna turn green or what, but I'm gonna just see what this is looking like. Whoa. Okay, all right. Give me a little 1 2 1 2. Second pass, y'all. Okay, so I don't know, maybe it's not hot enough, or yeah, my hair is just not cooperating right now, so I don't know what it's doing. But let's see what I'm used to with my old flat iron is that after I would do 2 passes, the hair would be so hot I couldn't even touch it. This flat iron is already hot. I don't know why the light is still red. Maybe it's not fully hot, but it's hot enough for me. Yeah, I don't know what's good with my ends though. Like, why won't you cooperate with me? All right, they're not cooperating, as you can see. I don't want them to look like that. I want them to go under. All right, I'm gonna try one more time, but it's really not the flat iron. It's really just the hair. I think I've been straightening it too much. I've straightened it the day I washed it, and I straightened it like probably like 3 days in because it rained and I didn't have a hood and I went to work, and it just messed my hair up, y'all. So, okay. Oh, okay, it is bouncing the way I kind of wanted it to bounce. Yeah, all right, so that was nice. I'm going to take out a big chunk on this side again and not really flat iron my hair. I'm just trying to bump the ends before I leave. While I'm doing that, let me tell y'all about this hair. So I washed it, y'all seen that, blow dried it, and I've had it on for a week. I am starting to get a little shedded now, but I don't expect any hair that I wear not to shed because it's hair. Your natural hair sheds, so your wig is gonna shed, your weave is gonna shed. Like, it's just natural. I would give the shedding on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being like, oh my God, my hair is falling out, I would never buy this wig again. And 1 being like, wow, barely any shedding. I would give it a 3. I don't know if it's because of my lifestyle. I shower every day, I wash my face every day, I have a baby that pulls my wig, so yeah, sometimes when I would run my fingers through, I would get like a few strands, but it was nothing too major, like nothing I couldn't manage on my own. The lace, okay, the lace is probably my least favorite part about this hair. So if you're like me and you're new to lace fronts, I would suggest maybe having somebody customize the hair for you. Because I'm used to closures, I kind of knew how to handle the lace, but I didn't like that the knots weren't really bleached. And I didn't have no bleach, so I didn't bleach them. I had to do my little 1-2 with the with some foundation powder that I used to do with my closures, which is I just used to kind of color it. I don't know why this side of my hair is not okay. I'm gonna put it in a smaller section and see what it do, because no way this is not cooperating the way I want to. I just wanted to no. Oh my God, this is not working out how I want to, guys, like at all. I don't want it to go that way. I want it to look like this side, nice and like frame into my face, not bounce out of my face. I don't know what's going on. Let me see if the light is still red, so I'm guessing it doesn't turn green when it's hot. You just, if you know how to use a flat iron, you should know when it's hot. I don't know why it's like curling like that. As y'all can see, I am struggling right now. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, great. Let me try to like break it down. Again, not flat ironing my hair. I'm just trying to bump the ends. But anyway, back to the hair. Besides this little struggle I'm dealing with right now, which I wasn't dealing with my old flat iron, the hair is pretty good. It's soft. For the price, honestly, y'all, honestly, I cannot complain. Like, it's 12 inches, it's a bob. Your girl look good. You'll look good if you get it, okay? I like it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I think I would buy from this hair company again, only because the hair is really soft and it's good to me. I've had hair that was worse than this and I've paid more for. So to me, this was a bargain. All right, my hair is really not cooperating. It's like getting on my nerves, y'all. Like, why can't you just let me be great and curl towards my face? Cause I want you to curl towards my face. All right, sorry for my little song, but I'm just trying to figure it out. Okay, it looks a little better now, so. Ooh. Are y'all seeing this right now? Like, you gotta be kidding me. This side just cooperated so greatly, and this other side is just like not rocking with me at all. Not at all. This little end piece here, I don't want it to face outward. Okay. I don't know why it's doing this to me. I don't know. Anyways, back to my review of the hair as I try to get it to cooperate. Yeah, I would give this hair definitely, now that I've worn it for a week, definitely probably like an 8 out of 10. Only reason it's not a 10 out of 10 is because the knots were not bleached. I did pluck the hairline a little bit, but not too much because my actual hairline is kind of thick. But yeah, my only pet peeve is that the knots weren't bleached, so I had to do like an extra step. And if you guys are wondering what I used to secure the wig, I used Ghost Bond. And I'll see if I can insert some pictures of me wearing the wig throughout this week, because your girl look good. Your girl looks good. Yeah, this side is just not cooperating, so I'm gonna give up. Let me do one more pass because I didn't like that little bump right there. Y'all, I'm rocking with this flat iron though. It's real smooth, and it's making my hair look kind of shiny. So this is my new flat iron. I don't know if y'all like it or not, but I like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay the flat iron like where my part is, just to lay it down a little more. If you decide to do this, or if you use a hot comb, I don't have my hot comb right now, do not just leave it on the lace. You have to like go quick. Even when I used to use closures, I would never leave the flat iron on the lace, because ladies, gents, whoever is watching, it's lace. It will melt if it's too hot. You don't want to burn your lace, so what you want to do is just go down quickly. With my old flat iron, I used to close it and go down. Let me see if it will work with this one. I don't know. Yeah, so we're okay. Here it is. As you can see with my old flat iron, I would close it and all of this would be like hot, and I would just so you just wanna, but you do not, ladies, please do not come back like, I put my flat iron on my lace and it burned. Because what did I tell you? And not to leave it on there too long. You want to go quick, 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 quick. Okay? Don't leave it on there all day. So far, I'm rocking with this flat iron. I really am like feeling the color. I don't know if y'all can see that rainbow thing, but I'm really feeling the color. This is gonna be my new bad boy, I guess, until it gives out like my old one. And this is the hair. I used Ghost Bond to lay it down. I also did use the bald cap method, which was, this was my first time doing it, y'all. I wish I would have recorded it for y'all so y'all could see. But all I did was take a cap. I mean, y'all could watch it on YouTube. I watched it on YouTube. All I did was take a cap. I pulled it all the way down. One trick I did learn from YouTube, I forgot whose video I was watching. If I remember, I'll leave her link below. But one trick I did learn was to sew down the back of your cap. I have really thick hair, and I had my mom just braid me some straight backs. So what I did, I pulled the cap all the way down. I used freeze spray, the got to be glued freeze spray, the yellow bottle. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all playing y'all hair, y'all know what I'm talking about. I used that to do the bald cap method. So I pulled the cap all the way down. I sprayed it. I went little by little because you don't want to let it drip down your face because then it gets all sticky and hard and stuck and it's gross. So I did little by little, and then I rubbed it in with a rat tail comb, which makes it easier so then your fingers aren't all sticky. And as that was drying, I did 2 layers. As that was drying, I sewed the cap to the back of my head into my braids. I didn't do it all nice and neat. I just did some big stitches just so it would stay down. And it was really, really easy for me. I really wish I would have like recorded it for you guys. So it was really, really easy for me when I cut the cap off and around my ears that the back of the cap didn't come up. So there's a tip. If you needed one, now you got one. When you do the bald cap method, sew the back of your cap down. But all right, that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit me up on social media. Let me know what you guys want my next video to be. Bye.